Hello everyone, so today we will learn how to say and write the country of India in Chinese, the second largest country entirely in Asia and the largest country in South Asia, largest Hindi-speaking country and the most populous Hindu country. Okay, now let's move to my pad and I will show you how to write it and how to speak it in Chinese. India. Okay, welcome to my pad. So first I write in English, India, and the country of India. Then I write it in Chinese, 印度. Then the pinyin, Chinese pinyin is 印度. I write it again, 印度. India, 印度, which means India. So you can practice again, 印度. Right? It's simple, right? Practice makes perfect. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.